Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Airbus showcases broad European drone portfolio at ILA Berlin, from uncrewed H145 to collaborative combat aircraft. Airbus is presenting one of Europe's most comprehensive uncrewed aerial systems portfolios at the International Aerospace Exhibition in Berlin. The company said the display demonstrates its work in autonomous flight for defense customers. The lineup includes two major innovations: the U-145, an autonomous uncrewed version of the H145 helicopter, and the U-760 Ravenstorm combat drone. Airbus said the Ravenstorm is designed to operate alongside fighter pilots in air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes and electronic warfare. Whatever uncrewed or drone capability our customers need to strengthen sovereign air power, we deliver, said Mike Schulhorn, CEO of Airbus Defence and Space. Our portfolio ranges from rapid response drone interceptors and various tactical drones, autonomous cargo helicopters, to uncrewed fighter aircraft UCCAs, uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft, operating cooperatively with crewed fighter jets. On the other side of the spectrum we have the Eurodrone, our very high payload and very long endurance ISTAR, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance platform. Airbus provides the entire envelope of uncrewed capabilities required for modern multi-domain warfare. All our systems come with open architectures and a European mission system compatible with the wider European and international defense ecosystem, Schulhorn said. The U-145 is being developed as a mission-agnostic system for civil and military use. Its primary role is high-volume cargo supply, but its modular design can also support disaster management, firefighting, armed scouting, surveillance and drone mothership functions for air-launched effects. Airbus is also presenting the U-760 Ravenstorm and U-740 Valkyrie as part of its uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft family. The company said this work builds on 2 decades of UCCA experience, starting with the Barracuda demonstrator, which first flew 20 years ago. The Ravenstorm represents the next step in Airbus UCCA roadmap towards a scalable family of uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft. The 1:1 model on display has a wingspan of 10 meters and a length of 13 meters. Airbus said Ravenstorm is optimized for multi-domain missions. Its planned roles include air-to-surface strikes with precision-guided munitions, air-to-air defense with long and medium-range missiles, and electronic warfare for suppressing enemy air defenses and offensive counter-air using non-kinetic jamming. Ravenstorm is expected to be available in the early 2030s. Airbus said the system is part of a phased build-up intended to meet urgent operational requirements for uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft. The U-740 Valkyrie is being developed with Kratos and equipped with Airbus multi-platform autonomous reconfigurable and secure mission system, known as MAS. Airbus said the Valkyrie is intended to deliver an operational sovereign UCCA to the German Air Force by 2029. The Valkyrie will support operational experimentation, initial air-to-ground capabilities and teaming with the Eurofighter. Airbus said this will form a foundational step in its collaborative combat aircraft development path. The company is also displaying light tactical drones, including the U-010 Aliaka, U-030 Flexrotor, and U-050 CopperX. Airbus said these systems are designed to provide surveillance, intelligence and operational flexibility. The Aliaka is a 25 kg uncrewed aerial system able to carry up to 3 kg of equipment for 6 hours. Airbus described it as a robust imagery tool for reconnaissance and decision-making. The Flexrotor is also a 25 kg uncrewed aerial system, but can carry up to 8 kg of equipment for 12 to 14 hours. Airbus said this makes it suited to long-endurance missions. The CopperX is a 120 kg uncrewed aerial system able to carry up to 20 kg of equipment. Airbus said it is a flexible platform that can be adapted for different missions and terrain. Airbus is also presenting the U-680 Bird of Prey, an uncrewed drone interceptor designed to counter massed aerial threats. The system is intended to engage and neutralize multiple mid-sized, one-way attack drones during a mission. Bird of Prey completed its first demonstration flight in March 2026, 9 months after project launch. Airbus said it plans additional flights during 2026 to further operationalize the system. Ravenstorm, Valkyrie, and Bird of Prey are powered by MAS, Airbus Sovereign Mission System. The system includes an AI-supported software core to enable platform autonomy and is scalable across the company's portfolio. Airbus also intends to install MAS on the U950 Eurodrone. The Eurodrone is Europe's first strategic large long-endurance remotely piloted aircraft system. The U950 Eurodrone is designed to provide strategic ISTAR capabilities, early warning and anti-submarine warfare. Airbus said the program is progressing towards its scheduled first flight in 2029. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.